Hello kids. Hello, let's learn some colors. Okay, grey color, black color, light green color, blue color, red color, yellow color, brown color, blue color, green color, pink color, orange color, and black color. Let's draw alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bat. C for cow. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for ginger. Small alphabets. A for apple. B for banana. C for camel. D for dance. E for egg. F for fingers. G for goat. I for ink. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. I for ink. J for jam. K for king. L for lassi. M for mango. N for nude. O for ox. Bye kids.